Imagine a place where stress is relieved and the pressure of the day just seems to melt away. What if you could go there tonight and every night? Well, now you can. Introducing the Flexicare Mattress. For easy cleaning and durability, Flexicare mattresses feature a fully removable and machine-washable zipper cover. The Flexicare mattress range has adopted Jute Tech, a United Nations awarded technology. The Flexicare mattress features a steel articulating frame, a jute board layer, then high-density foam, followed by a softer comfort foam layer to provide you with a comfortable and pressure-relieving sleep. The Flexicare mattress can be used on anything from an ensemble base to a slat bed frame, so you won't have the look of a hospital bed in your home. The Flexicare mattress is unique to the market. Try your new Flexicare mattress today.